Well, somewhat randomly, a bunch of logs showed up on like 30 minutes notice, so I gotta stack them up now. I've already moved a few, and if you remember, a couple weeks ago I did a video about fixing the third function so this grapple would work. This is precisely what it is for. And these logs are getting pretty old. They're pretty rotten, but the inside core will still produce some pretty good lumber. This huge banana right here, that's going to be pretty hard to mill. The thing to do would be to probably cut it right there, right about there, and get 4-foot pieces and then maybe 7-foot pieces out of this part. A couple of these are pretty large and, you know, fairly straight, but, you know, they're funky looking logs. And this one up top here, it's another big banana, but it can make some good wood. So in the very limited time I have before the truck comes back with more wood, I'm going to try to make this stack a little bit bigger. But I want to keep it low and stable because an unstable log pile is very dangerous. Heavy. Because this one's so misshapen, I'm going to put it on the ground and it will help stay put. Next one. This is the biggest one. Can I flip it? Flip. Oh, barely. I'm not really able to lift it up. Got it. And the next load just arrived. Only 3 this time, but they're quite nice and quite straight. And all done. Grapple's so nice to have. And here they are. You can see how I got it tapered pretty gently. That's that way it can't shift and fall down, at least not easily. The quality is poor, but it'll make some cool stuff still. Stay tuned to watch all this get milled over time, of course.